Hi guys, it's me Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a follow-up to my other video where I used earphones to get better audio quality. And I decided why not experiment by just using a face mask. So just a quick background, I'm currently an online medical student and we have done so many reports and presentations which require voiceovers. For example,
today on Sulpong Paknaan, we're going to discuss 3 approaches at 3 drastically different set points.
I'll be discussing about cough as a cardinal manifestation of disease.
Ang pagdugo kay considered abnormal kung una, ang siklo sa regla kay paspas ra.
And I've noticed that when I do these recordings, they sometimes don't sound right because of the quality. And they sometimes are muffled, especially on the B's, and the P, and the S, and the T. So basing on my experiences, I hypothesize, so this is just an experiment, okay, that I think face masks will improve the sound quality. I think that because of the filter, it can act like a filter so that your voice doesn't, explode with saliva. So, in order to prove my point, I'm going to be doing 3 tests. First, the Plosives test. Second, the voiceover test. And third, the singing test. First, with my mask off. Second, with my mask on. Are you ready? Let's go! So first, we're going to be doing the Plosives test. But what are plosives? In phonetics, a plosive, also known as an occlusive or simply a stop, is a pulmonic consonant in which the vocal tract is blocked so that all airflow ceases. Basically, these are the T, D, K, G, P, B, K. So I'm going to keep the plosives test simple and I'm going to switch the audio to my camera audio and I'm just going to go near, okay, and say the plosives.
T, D, K, G, P, B, P, S, T, D, K, G.
Mask on.
D, K, G, P, B, S, T, D, K, G, P, B.
So was there a difference? Second test, the voiceover test. So I just searched the web for a random voiceover script, just a short one. So this one is about Discovery Kids. So the script is, what's as strong as an elephant, stinks like a skunk, and can see in the dark. Find out next on Discovery Kids.
What's as strong as an elephant, stinks like a skunk, and can see in the dark? Find out next on Discovery Kids. What's as strong as an elephant, stinks like a skunk, and can see in the dark? Find out next on Discovery Kids.
Disclaimer, I'm not a professional voiceover artist, don't judge. And lastly, the singing test, just in case, you wanted to do some singing voiceovers or something. What's not copyrighted? Is it okay to sing Twinkle Twinkle? Is that right? Twinkle Twinkle.
So I'll be singing my version of Twinkle Twinkle. First, no mask. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Mask on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Which is better? Which is better, you think? So that's it. As listeners, what did you guys think of the 3 tests that I did? Does this video prove my hypothesis that face masks actually do make the audio sound better, because I think it really does. It acts as a filter so that you don't say the puh, buh, puh, puh, buh, buh, puh. You guys be the judge. Comment it down below if you think it worked, and if it didn't, then sorry for wasting how many minutes of your life. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below other video suggestions or any comments from this video. I make sure to reply to every one of them. So that's it. I'm Jimmy, and see you on the next one. Bye!